today is, what day is it? It's Thursday today, guys, and I'm literally so excited because I'm getting my nails done. I've been wanting to get some false nails for so long, and Mum said to me, she was like, right, you can go with Lucy and you can have them on just for the holidays, and I'm so excited to get them done. I mean, you guys are probably gonna think like your nails aren't even long as well, but I have been growing them and you probably can't tell. They're probably like nothing to you guys, but this one here, wait a second, look how long that nail is, guys, and then there's that one. I think, fingers crossed, I'll be able to put the nails on. So super excited about that today. So what else have we got to do today? I don't know what we're going to do today, but yeah, I've also got dance tonight, which I'm really excited about. And then yeah, I'm about to get some breakfast. And I don't actually know what I'm gonna get now, guys, because let's see if I've got any yogurts. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get some Weetabix. So these are literally like the only thing I eat. They're literally like the only cereal that I like. So I'm gonna have some of those. Good morning, IFAM. How are you all doing on this very lovely Thursday morning? We have been blessed again with sunshine. Because of me. But I won't give you a weather report because that's Chris' expertise. Steve, I can't even talk this morning. Poor little Prinny does seem actually a bit better this morning. She is wandering around a little bit. She is spending a lot of her time.
She was just this morning as well.
Just sat crying.
She was sick this morning as well.
We've been giving her lots of love. But yeah, she's still not perfect and exactly how she should be, but she does seem to be getting there, so I guess it's just a waiting game. Like, she has had like major surgery, so
yes, and she's doing good because she's walking around, guys. She just ran down the steps.
Yeah, she just run down the steps, which is great. But yeah, I can't even imagine having like out your ovaries and your womb and then her little hernia repair as well. Anyway, we're just heading out now to Isabelle's little therapy appointment, which she's very much looking forward to. Yeah, and then after that,
sorry, I'm patting you.
After that,
yeah. What? Mom, I did do this to me all the time.
So after that, I thought we'd go to the hairdressers.
Mom!
Mom! And get your hair done.
Yay!
If you want to.
No, I do.
You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm happy for you not to get this done.
But guys, oh god, I don't know what colour to get though. I want it to be purple.
Yeah, so Isabelle wants to dye the ends of her hair, and I've always been pretty against hair dyeing because it can ruin your hair so much. And I don't know, I always just thought like, you're not getting your hair dyed until you're 18. However, it's something that she's been wanting doing for over a year now, and I keep saying no because of school, and it's now the 6-week holidays.
She's so I could head it into the 6-week holidays. Like, this could be an
so this is the plan. So Isabelle knows she wants a good turnaround. Isabelle knows she wants quite a bit of her hair cutting off, so probably about this.
Oh no,
this much then. This much?
Yes.
So probably around that much. And we thought if we let her get her ends dyed for summer, she'll be able to have the best of both worlds because she can have it nice and dyed for summer like she's always wanted, but then we can just get it all cut off like she would have done anyway before she goes back to school in September.
And it's like an early birthday present because I wanted this done for my birthday.
She did ask, we have spoke about her 13th birthday, and she always says, I don't want anything this year, there's nothing I want, I'd like to do a donation. She took inspiration from some other YouTubers, and I was just like, if that's what you want. But then she did say, I would like the ends of my hair dyeing. So that's what she wants for her 13th birthday, so I thought we'd go get that done today. We do have to go and get a patch test done first.
A what?
Just like a test, so they cut off a small piece of your hair and then they have to make sure like you're not going to, I don't know why they do, and then they do like a test on your skin or something like that, I don't know.
Oh,
to keep
like
it
allergic,
like, yeah, it's in case you have like an allergic reaction, and then the hair one's just to make sure the colour will take. So
yeah, because my hair's dark as well.
Exactly.
So it might not.
Yeah. But either way, guys, she's not ruining her hair because she's going to get it all cut off before she goes back to school in September. Anyway, not all of it, but just the ends. She's only getting
just the ends,
done.
guys.
Anyway, we're going to get the patch thing done now. Then we're going to a therapy session, and then we're going back
It's like extreme makeover for Isabelle.
Oh,
She's getting her nails and stuff done tonight with Lucy.
oh my gosh, yeah.
So it's going to be like an extreme makeover day for you. Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's do this! One session complete, and today was a really good session, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Really good session. Also guys, excuse my lipstick, I absolutely love this colour, but for some reason whenever I wear it, it does that. It's so annoying. Anyway, Isabelle's brushing her hair right now because we are currently on our way to her hairdresser appointment. How do you feel?
I don't brush my hair in the morning, guys.
No, not that she doesn't brush her hair, but obviously.
I'm excited.
How are you feeling?
I'm really excited.
Really, like on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 million.
Oh my goodness. How much colour do you reckon you'll get in?
I don't know.
You need to just be aware that however high up the colour goes is how much you have to get cut off.
That much? Oh no.
Oh no, because your hair will be so short.
Yeah.
Do you reckon? Would you be happy with hair that short?
It'll grow though over.
It will grow over somewhere a bit, not a lot.
Like that.
That'd be nice.
That length. That'd be alright. That's alright.
Yeah, it's up to you, babe. I'm happy to do what you want to do.
Like have that much dyed.
Yeah, and get that much cut off at the end of summer.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous for you. Isabelle's therapist just said to me, "You're not going to get yours done at the same time." And I was like, "No, what? Oh, actually." No. But no, I'm not dyeing my hair. I've gone like 8 or 9 years now without dyeing my hair. So no, I'm definitely not. Say bye-bye to only brown hair.
Alright guys, so whilst Mum and Isabelle are having their hair done, well whilst Isabelle's having her hair done at the hairdressers, I just went and picked up these two girls, and Isla's just got ready because she's about to go to a party.
Yeah!
And you look very cute. Let's have a look at you. Okay, go get in the car then girls. Let's go.
We like the blonde, don't we?
I actually really like the blonde.
We like the blonde. But they did say that this colour will fade.
Yeah.
Especially if we're going on a holiday pretty quickly with the pool water and stuff, and then they'll be left with the blonde. So you still have the blonde, yeah.
My gosh, I just got here and Isabelle, your hair's looking mega. It's crazy, isn't it? It's gonna look so good.
I don't usually let her wear bikini like this, by the way. And she's literally just brought them out and said, "Can I just try them?" They'll probably hurt your ears.
They look cool, Esme.
No, they don't. Too big.
Bless you.
Are you ready to see it?
You like it?
Yeah,
Really nice.
it's
Alright,
so nice.
Thank you.
Isabelle, that's like actual unicorn hair. What? That looks so good, doesn't it, Esme? Do you like it?
I like that.
I bet you do. Oh my gosh, amazing. How do you feel?
I love it, I love it, I love it. But I really need a wee. I've been sat there the whole time.
Oh, there's toilet in there. Oh, we need to get to a nail appointment.
Yeah, it's fine. We can put the
There'll be a toilet at the nail place.
I literally love it.
It's so nice, babe.
Oh my god, sorry.
You love it?
Yeah, they did say the purple might not come out as good, but look how good it came
They
out.
did say the purple might not, but that is so nice.
And I just love it.
I like the unicorn.
She does, doesn't she, Esme?
I love how balanced these curls are. Sorry, but like, look, they're just so beautiful. They look like unicorn horns.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like proper unicorn
Oh my
hair.
god, Luke's gonna freak out when I show
Should we
her.
go show her? You ready to go get your nails done?
Okay guys, so I've just got to salon to do my nails, and oh my gosh, I can't even get over the fact how cool my hair looks right now. I'm going to get some nice sparkly pink ones, and I'm super excited.
Just picked Tyler up from her party. Look at your face, madam. Let's have a look at you.
I got a yo-yo.
You look really cute.
And this god that I
Isla's
love.
literally just so happy with that yo-yo.
She's loving life right now with that yo-yo.
Tiny little yo-yo. She's Esme said something about it, nothing like mean or anything, but Isla went, no, this is a really nice yo-yo. It's, what colour did you, it's violet.
It's violet. Whoa.
I'm calling it violet.
Your face looks so cool. Let me have a look at it. You look so pretty. I love it. It looks so good. Did you have a yo-yo when you were like, I don't know, maybe 13
Yeah,
or
because
something?
there were a craze.
Yeah, do you remember the
There was a
Coca-Cola
yo-yo
ones?
craze.
Did you have one of them, the Coca-Cola ones that
No,
were
I
like
had one with
see-through?
like barbarians in it, and it was all see-through, and it
Did
lit
it
up when
light
you
up?
did
Yeah.
it.
And did the
they
spinny
could do
thing on the ground?
tricks.
Yeah.
Walk
Comment
the
below.
yo-yo.
Comment below if you used to play with,
Walk the
yeah,
yo-yo.
walk it and stuff and make it spin.
And watch what else it does. Wait until I get it to the top 'cause it's really good.
Guys, comment below if you had a trick yo-yo when you were younger, or if you know what me and Sarah are talking about.
Get it to the top. When you get it to the top of the yo-yo, just like swing it around. Then when it gets quite far up, you can just go.
Do you know what's so funny?
Whee!
I'm sat
That's
here
right.
thinking, of course I'll know what yo-yo I'm talking about. It wasn't even that long ago, and then I suddenly think, oh, I'm 33 this year. I'm about 13, so it's about 20 years ago. So actually, yeah, they might not know what I'm
Man,
talking
them years
about.
fly
I just
by.
started thinking, why is it here now? Obviously, they're going to know what the yo-yo craze was. And then I suddenly realised it was like 20 years ago.
It was a long time ago.
I'm old.
Yeah, most people watching this are probably not going to know what we're talking about.
Okay, we ready to go in?
Yeah, let's go, boo boo. We got a really, really exciting package in the post today, and we thought that we might open it just now and have a look because we can't wait any longer. It's been sat on the side all day long, and we're just way too excited to have a look at it. Can't believe how quick it came, actually.
Less than 3 weeks.
Yeah.
I'm sure we were waiting like months for...
Months. That might give it away. Comment below what you think we might be about to show you guys. We're going to have a look at it now, and then when Isabelle gets home from having her nails done and stuff with Lucy, then we'll show the girls too. But you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I've taken all of the...
No, it just came like that.
Yeah, I've taken all the sellotape off the side, so it's ready to open now. Okay, guys, here we go. Oh.
Gosh, this
Oh, it
is
looks so nice already. Like, oh! That looks so good. Wow.
That is nice. We are so lucky to have one of these though.
Oh, so lucky. Let's take it off. Let's take it out. It's so shiny though. Look. Oh, that's
Oh my gosh,
gorgeous.
so nice.
That is so pretty. Beautiful.
So nice.
What the heck? I never ever thought I would see that in my house.
That is so
Certainly never
cool.
ever with that on it.
I love it.
That is incredible. You're bigger than Vancouver, bigger than Venice. You're even bigger than Las Vegas.
Oh my gosh, that's
Wow.
so amazing.
1 million subscribers. Maybe you've imagined that day for a long time, or maybe you've never thought you'd grow so big. Either way, not much can match the satisfaction of finding out that your creativity, that your ideas, that your voice speaks to 1 million people across the globe. We know that being able to touch the lives of so many people is rewarding enough, but we're incredibly proud of you, of all you've done. So we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem. With your track record, we suspect you're only going to keep growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone at 10 million subscribers. It may seem far away, never. But remember the days when you were psyched to get 1,000, to have 1,000.
That's true.
You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do. Sincerely.
Yeah. And
That is
anyone watching
gorgeous.
this right now should take inspiration from this, because we never, ever, ever in a million years thought that we would ever get this far on YouTube, and it's crazy that we have. But we almost didn't even set up a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Because we thought, who would want to watch our videos? And it's so easy to put yourself off doing something that you actually really want to do. So don't ever put your dreams off. Take it with both hands, go for it and do it. And if you want something hard enough, you can do it and you can get there. This is awesome.
It's
I'm
amazing.
so happy to have this.
I can't wait to find a space on the wall for that somewhere with all the others too.
Alright guys, so I've just got my nails done and they're really nice, I love them so much, but the guy accidentally did them too long. Like not too long, but as you can see, they're long and I really love them, they're like so good. But I think he's done them a little bit too long and they won't be able to like cut them any shorter because if you won't be able to see the white anymore. But I love them so much. Big thank you to Maria, Lucy's mum, for paying for them for me. I love them so much. They even like sort of match my hair as well. Wait a second guys. So pretty! I love them so much. We're going to go and get some food with Lucy, which I'm excited about. And then, yeah.
So like I said, Isabelle's still at Lucy's house. She went after having her nails done for a little bit of a chill and have some fun time with Lucy. She'll be back any minute now. But my two little munchkins are just up here watching some Netflix right now just before bed. You want to see something really cool?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want to see it? Okay. What have we just recently hit? What did we just recently do?
Subs.
1 million subscribers, that's right. What do you think it is?
Like a YouTube button.
A YouTube button? Do you think it's our 1 million one?
Yeah. Yeah. It's gold!
It's really gold. How awesome is that? It's massive and it's gold.
Massive and gold.
It's so pretty.
I want to keep it in my bedroom.
I bet you do.
I love gold.
It's really nice.
It's so big. Like, I bet rose gold a bit.
Yeah. We'll have to find a good space in our wall for all our plaques, won't we now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, we have quite a few.
We have got quite a few, that's right, Debbie.
We've got one in the office.
Yeah.
I know that.
Isabelle's one.
Isabelle's, yeah.
IFAM Extras one.
IFAM extras.
And then this one.
This one's fun.
Yeah. 4. That's right. Yeah. This one will have to go in the middle and then the other smaller ones around it.
Yeah.
That'll be cool, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. So it is time to get ready for bed now though, okay? You need to wash your face because you've got pen all over it still.
Oh, yeah, on the side. And I want,
What is that? Isla Savannah.
see.
I know you just got out of the shower, but you need to brush your hair and you need to go do your teeth and then we can get into bed, okay? Because it's getting super late, alright? Good girls. Mermaid hair, don't care. Give it a big old brush and get ready for bed, okay? Ooh.
I love it.
So Isabel's just got home with her gorgeous hair and nails. Let's have a look. Whoa, they are crazy
They're
big.
so nice. Not even uncomfortable at all.
I'll ask you again in a few days if you still feel the same about that. Alright, close your eyes a minute. Okay, I'm going to open this box and then I'm going to get you to open your eyes. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Look. How good does that look?
Even that looks so cool.
It looks amazing, right?
Oh my god, I was not expecting that big.
No, it's
I was
huge.
expecting like the other one.
Yeah. No, it's a mega one for a million.
It's like a mirror. It's so pretty.
It's a big old mega
Where
one
are
for a
we gonna
million.
put it next to the other one?
No, I'm not going to put them up just yet. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to have to think about it, about how to display
Look
them.
at that, guys.
It's amazing, isn't it?
1 million subscribers. That is amazing.
Oh my gosh, do you still love your hair?
Yeah.
You've been checking out all
That's
night.
random. Still love your hair. Yeah, I love it so much,
I love
guys.
it.
It's really weird seeing you coming in with hair and with nails done.
Is it going to stay in forever?
No, it grows out, boo boo.
No, we'll like take
It grows out and it'll fade over time, kind of thing. So.
I can still see like a little bit of blonde bits in it from where it's been like bleached. And
Oh, yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Like, oh, it's just so
I love
nice.
it.
It is really nice.
I love it. We need to show Granny and Grandpa though.
Ooh, we'll show them tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right now it is bedtime for you guys, okay? I'm coming to tuck you in and I'm coming to tuck you in, Esme. So go and get ready for bed, okay? Good girls.
So the girls are just going upstairs to brush their teeth and wash their faces, ready for bed, and we're going to end the vlog here. We've had a few of you guys asking if, do you have to always scratch Prinny when I start vlogging? Poor Prinny. She is actually much better today, so that's really good. But yeah, we've had a few of you guys asking if we are selling our house, and yes, we are in the process of buying another house and selling this one. It's quite funny the amount of speculation that goes around as to why we're selling the house, and for some reason some of you guys or some people seem to turn speculation into fact, when in actual fact the only reason that we are selling this house is because over the last few months our actual address has unfortunately been leaked, and we've having people coming up to the front of the house and taking pictures and posting them online, and your home is supposed to be somewhere that we can come and relax and feel safe, and unfortunately we just don't feel like that in this house anymore. And it's partly our fault too, because we were naive when we bought this house, and we showed, obviously we didn't show or give out our actual address or our door number or anything like that, but we did show a lot of the site that we're on, and we just made some mistakes that we shouldn't have made, and we were naive and silly, and we've learnt from those mistakes. And so we're going to be buying another house away from here that's just a bit more private and has more like security and just more privacy, which is what we want when we're at home. So yeah, we're selling our house, and that's the reason that we are selling it. Anyway, that's it for today, guys. It's been a really fun day. I think me and Isabelle are going for a girly shopping trip tomorrow because we have a holiday coming up next week, which I am so excited about. So excited. It's our first of 2 holidays this summer, and oh my gosh, we're so excited. We'll see you guys back here tomorrow at 5 p.m. Good night, guys.